me, nowadays, people are preferring to take lesser colleges than the higher colleges, because once you are from IIT, IIM, their value starts zooming up. So, but the work is the same thing that can be done by another engineer or another management graduates. So, companies are looking at people from any college or any institution, provided he has got the ability to sell himself. So, whether you are from a lower college or a bigger college or a smaller institution, a bigger institution, you stand a success provided you know how to sell yourself. So here I take a small minute and tell you an example of one of the brilliant persons in the country. I cannot tell his name for some reasons, but I tell you about his story. He is a very brilliant person in 80s when he scored the toppest marks in the CBSE examination when he passed 12th class. Then he went to NIT Surat. Again, he's a brilliant boy. He got an electronics seat, and then he did BTech with topping the college. Obviously, he wanted to go to IIM Ahmedabad and finally got selection IIM Ahmedabad. 2 years, he's a topper. He is most sought after. Wherever he go, wherever debate happens, wherever presentation happens, that person is the most sought after. He is going like anything. So when he is in his final year, final semester, campus interviews are about to start. Then he wanted to prefer to job into sales and marketing with two companies. He preferred I'm so brilliant, so I should get job in these two companies, either of these companies, and the two in selling and marketing. What are the two companies? Hindustan Unilever, second is Procter and Gamble. Because they are one of the topmost companies in the selling domain and marketing domain, he preferred to there only. So first day these companies came, this boy went with all the confidence to face the interview. Unfortunately, within an hour, they told that you are not fit for the job. I was shocked. Me, such a brilliant boy, I got beautiful academics, beautiful marks, beautiful rewards, awards. No, I am not fit for the job in Hindustan Unilever. I am not fit for the job in Procter Gamble. He scrambled. The next day, he went to some other companies for marketing selling. He went to banks also. Next day, Monday went on. Monday, he could not get selection. Hindustan in the Procter and Gamble. Tuesday, went to some other companies. Wednesday, went to some other companies. All the companies is flatly rejected. His total confidence got shocked. I'm telling a real story. Unfortunately, I cannot give the name of the person. He's really shocked. Then he went to his professor. Professor said, "Dear friend, time is running out. 2 more days, campus interviews will wind up. Now your only option is a try in the consultancy domain." He hates consultancy domain. He does not want to join with any consultancy company. But he is afraid that if he misses this campus interview, again he has to go to lengthy job searching process. He went to consultancy company, and some local Indian company accepted him and gave a small salary compared to what HUL or P&G or some other companies would have given. He has no other option but to compromise and accept that offer. So what happened? It happened that that boy could not sell himself. So he failed miserably in the interviews, and then he has to compromise and join a job which he never liked. So what is that story of moral of the story? Whatever the qualifications you have, whatever the marks you have, whatever the recognitions you have, if you do not know how to sell yourself, you will fall flat in the interviews. You will not get a job of your choice. You have to compromise yourself and join a lesser jobs. So selling is very important, and now it is, as I told you, it is very, 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 very important in the case of jobs. End of the day, you all want success, right? Am I good? Should I say that you all want to success? Yes, you all want to be successful. That's the reason why you are taking all the chances. You are joining Chartpad, you are joining webinars to learn many things. So you want to be successful. The success is first to get into academics, great academics, but you have to know how to sell yourself and get successful in the interviews. If you don't do that, you will be failing in your career, and then your success craft comes down. So today, I am going to more stress upon selling yourself in interview skills. While talking of interviews, I want to convey you. I want to tell you with all authority. I am telling you with all authority, with my experience for 35 plus years and my connects with across the country of bigger companies, major companies. I am telling with authority that there is no death of jobs. Whoever tells, they are fooling you. There is no death of jobs, provided you are deserving and you know how to sell yourself. Provided you are deserving and you know how to sell yourself. So be it in before, okay, now is it that in the COVID, after this COVID era or before that? No, the same story. Even last year, the same story. Even this year, the same story. Coming year, the same story. Even last year, many boys are not able to get jobs. Many boys are not able to face interviews. But now they are tougher. Earlier, it's not tougher. What happened? Even pre-COVID era also or post-COVID era also, the jobs are available. Don't worry about the jobs. Only thing is that get yourself ready for selling yourself properly. Till last year, many jobs are remained vacant. Many jobs remained vacant. As I told you, in IBM, out of 300 jobs, only 3 got filled up, 297 got remained vacant due to lack of deserving candidates. Many boys who attended all from engineering background from different big colleges, still they could not selected that company. Finally, because they have to fill up the 297 seats jobs, they took people who are scoring 70-80% or 60% marks, and then they took them. Okay यार, कुछ ना किसी को रिक्रूट करेंगे, नहीं तो परेशानी होता है, लोग नहीं है तो. So these cases, the company recruited or youth, though they are only 60-70% fit. At that time, because the company has got time and they got energies, money is not gone, economy is going well. So they selected those boys, trained them for 6 months, and whoever passed the training test after 6 months, they were put in the job and the rest were left. So those boys who are good enough learned the art of job and then succeeded. But 90% people got joined. But that time, there is a chance that people who are 60-70% fit are also getting job. But now, once the lockdown ends, what happens? In this post-COVID-19 era, the employers would recruit either 100% fit candidates or none. They don't have the money to give the trainings now. Because you know that last 2 months there is no production, there is no economic activity, so they don't have money. So now they don't want to take people and do the training. So they want either fits or no. So those who are only 100% fit will get a job. So in this post-COVID-19 era, the employers cannot afford to wait for the performance of the recruited students. वो कह रहा आपको नौकरी दे देंगे, 6 महीने तक आप आराम से बैठो, सीख लो, उसके बाद आपको ट्रेनिंग, आपको परफॉर्मेंस देखना चाहता है. नहीं, वो था पहले. अभी आप ज्वाइन करने के बाद अगले दिन से प्रोडक्टिविटी बनना चाहिए. आपको सिर्फ वो जॉब के लिए जो रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, either it is development in computers or it is an administration or HR, whatever it is, they teach you the 1 week maximum, they teach you the job nature of the work. Later, you are supposed to start productivity. So they want immediate productivity. They cannot afford 6 months. So the recruiters will be now more selective, more choosy, and the interviews will be tough day after day. So in the days to come, that is after the lockdown is over, the campus interviews happen or the interviews happen, the days are tough for those who cannot sell themselves. So boss, you are supposed to sell yourself very confidently. So now you have to gear up for the new reality and get prepared yourself to get selection in jobs of your choice. नहीं तो क्या होता है, जिसको मैं बताया एम स्टूडेंट जैसा, उसको इंटरेस्ट नहीं है तो भी मजबूरी में कंसल्टेंसी में ज्वाइन किया था. आप भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना पड़ता है. जैसा पीएचडी जाकर प्यून जॉब करना चाहता है, ऐसा आप लोग भी छोटे मोटे जॉब करना पड़ता है. आप अच्छा एमबीए पढ़ने का रोड में पेन बेचने के लिए सेल्समैन बनना पड़ता है, सड़क चाप बनना चाहता है. If you are not ready to learn the art of selling yourself, if you sell yourself properly, you will be able to get into jobs of your choice. So what should you sell about yourself? अभी तक सेल क्या है पता है मैंने आपको, सेलिंग सेल्फ के बारे में बताया. अब आपके बारे में क्या सेल करना चाहिए? There are 2 things that you have to teach. One is technical skills and second is personality skills. Technical skills matter. Whatever you are studying BCom, it is commerce. You are studying BSc, it is sciences. If you are studying engineering, it is engineering subjects. Whatever subjects you are doing, they are called technical subjects or domain expertise. Your academics speak about your technical skills. Whatever the marks you get in the examination, speak about your academics. Your marks will tell you how much technically skilled you are. So you should try to get the maximum highest marks in academics. Don't neglect your education, your graduations or post graduations, and try to get highest marks. Your high scores not only give the hint about your academics, but also it proves that, okay, this boy has put efforts to get good marks, means he is a hard working boy. तो एक अच्छा क्वालिटी आपके पास है, that you are not only got good marks, but you have got reasonably hard working skills. So your big scores is one indicator that you are a hard working boy. But lot many people who are scoring high marks in academics nowadays, because everyone is scoring high marks, इसका मतलब ये तो सभी हार्ड वर्किंग इंटेलिजेंट है, उसको भी रिक्रूटर को मालूम पड़ गया. It is not the case. So they don't want simply on academics. It's only one of the criteria. So they put a marks only those who have got 80% plus marks apply for the job. Rest do not apply. So it is a way they are eliminating the other boys. It is only scale to eliminate your high academics. तो academics होना ही चाहिए. Academics का आपको elimination round से आगे बढ़ने के लिए. Then second is that you do a lot of projects for internships. These will actually add up to your academics. It will spice up your academic scores. But here in this internships and project work, you should know very well what you did, because in the interview time, you have to sell what you sold in the projects, what you did in internships. Apart from your score, the recruiter would like to understand your ability to apply your academic knowledge into problem solving. आपको नौकरी इसलिए दे रहा है, आपको जो पढ़ाई किया उसको लेक्चर देने के लिए नहीं है, आपको जो नॉलेज है उसको प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग करना है. सपोज अकाउंटेंट ज्वाइन है, उसको डेबिट क्रेडिट पापा मालूम होना चाहिए. ही शुड नो व्हाट इज बैंक रिकंसिलिएशन. If a person is joining from engineering background, you should know how to apply his engineering knowledge to solve a problem. It is not simply his academics. So they want you to know the application of this economics into real life situation. You can be successful only if you have got command in the basics. जो लड़कों ने और लड़कियों ने अपने academics basics, मतलब if somebody asks you what is 2 plus 2, they should not use a laptop or a mobile or a something calculator. They should have 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Automatically आना चाहिए. आपको मालूम है 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 कैसा होता है. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. But how did it come? By mugging? No. A plus B into A plus B. If it happens, how it happens, that gives the answer. You should know the basics. Okay. Most of these are taught in your colleges. I am not demeaning your colleges. Colleges are very good. You are all from good colleges. So colleges are teaching them. But only thing that is needed is focus on basics and application of knowledge to them. Teachers will tell you the academics. You should know how to apply your basics for the problem solving. Most of these skills are tested when you go to interview. These are tested through online tests. So once you pass these online tests, your technical round is over. तो आप लोग अपने कॉलेज में जो पढ़ा है उसका बेसिक्स का आपने ग्रास्प में ले लिया तो आप टेक्निकल राउंड में पास हो जाता है. In this case, master your domain expertise. So to pass through the technical examinations, what you have to do? You have to master your domain expertise and give correct solution to practical problems. So इसके लिए पढ़ाई अच्छा होना चाहिए, मार्क्स अच्छा आना चाहिए. But इसके अलावा most important thing is personality skills. The most important thing is that you need to sell yourself personality skills. आपका अपने बारे में अपने personality skills को sell करना चाहिए. Unfortunately, it is not taught in your colleges. No college teaches you this. It is taught by those who have hands-on experience. जिसको उस काम में लगाकर काम किया उसको कर सकते. मेरे जैसे लोग हैं, वो पूरा 35 years में लगातार expertise किया. ऐसा इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सपर्ट जिसको है, those who have got handling human resources, those who have got handling teams, those who got practical situation manage करने का, ऐसा लोगों के साथ आप लोग सीखना चाहिए. These are called soft skills. So there is a survey happened. Many of you might have read it that 60 to 65% are not able to get selected in jobs because of lack of soft skills. This is what I told the case of IBM in Hyderabad, where only 3 out of 300 jobs got job. The remaining 297 could not get a job because they did not have soft skills. So what is the survey saying? That 60 to 65% of jobs are getting vacant because people are not having soft skills. So how to know how to enhance your performance or productivity? By learning soft skills. According to industry norms, those who are having basics of technical skills and high amount of personality skills will be highly productive and they are of great use to the organization. So now I told you what you have to do. You have to do technically good. You have to learn personality skills. नाउ पर्सनालिटी स्किल्स में आपने मास्टर किया तो यू हैव टू लर्न फ्रॉम पीपल और ट्रेनर्स who have got hands-on experience from the industry. Then your productivity increases, so your chances of getting into a job will increase. So how to sell yourself on the personality skills portion? First and fundamental is resume writing. Everyone writes a resume. वो सब सबसे सादा easy है. Just go to Google, you want to find Google Mata Jindabad and Google Mata will give you a template of resume. Resume writing is not a summary of personal information. Many people know that हाँ इसमें क्या लिखना, मेरा नाम लिखना, मेरा date of birth लिखना, मेरा passport number लिखना, मेरा no. Resume should reflect what you are. आप कौन है, मेरे प्राची कौन है, मेरे कौन सौरभ कौन है, उसको देखते पता नहीं. क्योंकि resume is the first thing that goes to recruiter. You should know. Resume is the first point of interaction between you. It will connect you to the interviewer only with resume. So you have to see that your resume is the best. Don't think that resume आपने जो भेज दिया वो accept हो जाएगा, because recruiters have experience of scanning through thousands and lakhs of resume. Nowadays there are softwares which will tell these are fake resumes or copied resumes. So at the very first class of the resume देखते ही पता चल जाता है उसको, अरे यार ये fake है. तो आप लोग बहुत ही मेटिकुलसली आपने बनाना है, इसके लिए आपने प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग लेना चाहिए. So that students should be very careful while drafting the resume. The most important that is that he should not copy the resume from Google or his friends. मैं जैसा बताया आप copy मत करो. The resume should reflect authenticity and originality. It should be original. It should be a stamp of Prachi. It should be a stamp of Saurabh. It's a branch of everyone. While it is essential to give some basic personal information, you tell about yourself, but more important about the activities that you are sure participated. आपने मैंने साइकिल रैली में पार्टिसिपेट किया, मैंने सोशल सर्विस में गया, कोविड जब आया तो मैं गरीब लोगों को मदद किया, ये सारा चीज आप लिखना चाहिए. योर पर्सनल इंटरेस्ट, आपको क्या इंटरेस्ट है, आपको बिलीफ्स क्या है, ये सारे लिखना चाहिए. द रिज्यूमे रिफ्लेक्ट्स व्हाट यू आर. So with the advent of online era, it is very likely that video resumes are becoming popular. So you not only manual resume, you should learn the habit of preparing video resumes also. The most repeat but very frequent asked question is that आपने इंटरव्यू में जब भी जाता है, ये रिज्यूमे दे दिया, आप एक्सपेक्ट क्या करता है, वो पूछेगा भैया तेरे नाम पे बता दो. आपने रिज्यूमे देखा, वो बताना चाहता है, लेकिन वो क्या पूछता है, tell me something that is not in your resume. Please note down this word. This is a frequently asked question in interviews. Tell me something not in your resume. आपका resume जो है ये नहीं बोल मांग रहे हो, जो नहीं है उसके बारे में बता दो. बस पसीना छूटता है लड़कों को. आप लोग एक क्वेश्चन के आंसर आप बना दीजिए. When you practice selling self, you should know how to answer this question. आप self selling practice करेगा तो ही आपको मालूम है जो रिज्यूमे नहीं है उसके बारे में बोल सकता है. So I am giving some tips. Do not copy. Show as much originality as possible. Keep the resume simple and not glossy. Many people have got putting glossy things. Don't do that. Should use commonly used fonts. No grammatical mistakes. No colors other than black. Should put photo only if they asked. Give normal mail ID and not fancy ideas. The second important thing that you are supposed to learn to sell yourself is interview communication. While resume is a document that gives the impression, it is your communication that opens the doors for conversation with the recruiter. So आप लोग जब रिक्रूटमेंट में जाता है, आपको रिज्यूमे देखने के बाद आप रिज्यूमे अच्छा लगता है, उसको आपको बुलाएगा तो नेक्स्ट चीज आप मुंह खोलेगा तो that is communication start. When you are doing communication, it should sync with your body language. आप body language में पसीना छूट रहे, डर के बात कर रहे, आप जितना भी अच्छे बात कर रहे हैं, आपको शक्ल से पता चल रहा है आप लोग डर रहे. That is not good. So you should sync your body language with your communication. Your communication should be crisp and clear and you express. आप घुमा के फिरा के मत बात करो. आपको जो आता है वो सीधे से बता दो. नहीं आता तो सर ये मुझे जानता ही नहीं, मैं फ्रेशर हूँ. तो आपको जो नहीं जान, आप जब ना ही बोलना आपको जानना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं हर एक को ना बोलेगा तो वो सोचेगा इसको कुछ भी नहीं आता. तो आपको मालूम होना चाहिए हाउ टू एक्सप्रेस योरसेल्फ, हाइड योर फीलिंग्स. आपको गुस्सा आता है कभी को क्वेश्चन पूछेगा तो डोंट शो योर फीलिंग्स इन द फेस. टॉक फियरलेसली एंड एक्सप्रेस योरसेल्फ इन अ स्वीट वे. तो प्यारा से बात करो, आपको चांसेस बढ़ता है. द नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इज दैट आपने पहले रिज्यूमे अच्छा बनाना सीख लिया, उसके बाद आपने सीखा है कैसा कम्युनिकेट करना है, उसके बाद आपको मैपिंग करना है. ये क्या होता है? पहले मैपिंग का मतलब यू हैव टू नो व्हाट यू आर. प्राची कौन है, सौरव कौन है, और कौन कौन जान किया, तनुषा कौन है, सत्या कौन है पहले जानना चाहिए। इसके लिए आप you have to talk yourself or you have to talk with your confident friends, your relatives, your father, mother, your brothers, जिसके ऊपर आप अच्छा कॉन्फिडेंस से बात करो नेक्स्ट कंटिन्यूली। उसका मालूम होना चाहिए आपको क्या होना चाहिए, आपका क्वालिटीज क्या है। शायद हो सकता है जिसका केस में मैं बताया, उस लड़का सेल्स में फेल हुआ, कंसल्टेंसी में ज्वाइन किया मजबूरन। आपको मालूम नहीं होगा 20 साल में इंडिया में टॉप मोस्ट कंसल्टेंट है वो कंसल्टेंट बन गया, ऐसा बन गया, उसको मालूम नहीं था। जो दिन इंटरव्यू करा रो रहा है, मेरे को मजबूरी में जो इंटरेस्ट है उसमें ज्वाइन किया है, लेकिन 20 साल के बाद वो खुद ही एक्सेप्ट करता है आई एम मेड फॉर कंसल्टेंसी नॉट फॉर सेलिंग। तो यू शुड नो व्हाट यू आर मेड फॉर, तो यू हैव टू मैप योरसेल्फ। दूसरा, आप जिसको अप्लाई कर रहा है उसके लिए जॉब के बारे में जानकारी होना चाहिए। कौन सा कंपनी के बारे में अप्लाई कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में जानकारी कैसा होंगे, कंपनी के बारे में कंपनी की वेबसाइट देख सकते हैं, जॉब के बारे में ग्लासडोर नाम से जैसे वेबसाइट पोर्टल्स में देख सकता है। तो आपको आपके बारे में मालूम होना चाहिए, आपको कंपनी जिसको अप्लाई कर रहे हैं उसके मालूम होना चाहिए, जॉब की जिसके अप्लाई कर रहे हैं आपको मालूम चाहिए। सपोज यू आर अप्लाइंग फॉर ए जॉब, यू think that it is for marketing sitting in an office, but the job is supposed to go outside the office, or the company is actually having, you are a Delhi, the company is having Travancore or Trivandrum, you may not like going South India, but you are not seen it। वो नौकरी में कुछ आप जाओगे आप पसीना छूटेगा, हाँ भी नहीं बोल सकते ना भी नहीं बोल सकते। कुछ लोग बोलते हैं will you go to ईटानगर, I asked this question to so many people, हाँ जाऊंगा, कहाँ ईटानगर पता नहीं, आपको मालूम ही नहीं ईटानगर का है, सिलीगुड़ी कहाँ मालूम नहीं है आपको, आप हाँ बोल देगा बाद में फंस जाओगे। तो यू शुड नो अबाउट इट। तो यू हैव टू कनेक्ट 3 dots, नो अबाउट योरसेल्फ, देन नो अबाउट द जॉब, नो अबाउट द कंपनी। ये तीनों डॉट्स को कनेक्ट करेगा तो व्हाट हैपेंस, यू नो व्हाट आर यू, व्हाट इज द कंपनी एंड व्हाट इज द जॉब। इफ यू डू दिस, द सेकंड फ्रीक्वेंट लास्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर बता सकते हैं। पहले फ्रीक्वेंट लास्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है, व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई टोल्ड यू, tell me what is not in your resume. First frequently asked question is that tell me something that is not in your resume. Now when you know yourself, when you know the company, when you know the job, you have connected properly, then you can answer the second frequently asked question. Note down this question, what can you contribute to the organization if the job is offered? भैया मेरे को तेरे मांगा है 10 लाख रुपए सैलरी तो दे दूंगा, आप मुझे क्या देगी, करोड़ रुपए दे सकता है क्या, करोड़ रुपए के लिए बिजनेस कर सकता है क्या, कैन यू डेवलप ए न्यू प्रोडक्ट दैट इज वर्थ 10 crores? They expect what you can contribute. You can answer this question very well, very confidently. You can sell yourself, provided you mapped yourself, you mapped connected to the company, you mapped to the job. ये तीनों करने के बाद आपको कनेक्शन बन जाता है। Next, last point. Finally, it is how you face the board and make the final difference. You should know how to face the board. Normally, the first 2-3 minutes in interview are very, very important. आप सोचते हैं 1 घंटे होता तो इंटरव्यू 1 घंटे में कुछ ना कुछ इंप्रेस कर सकता, नहीं है। पहले 3-4 मिनट, that's where the most crucial time where you are to impress. In these 3-4 minutes, you capture the eyes of the interviewer, लगे आपको नौकरी पक्का, guaranteed. I can give you a bond paper. So what should you do for it? You should be de-stressed. पिछले दिन से ही इंटरव्यू का 1 दिन से पहले से भी आराम से रेस्ट ले लो। प्ले, क्रिकेट में बोलते हैं ना, प्ले योर ओन नेचुरल गेम। सो इंटरव्यू में भी आप अपने नेचुरल गेम खेलो। डोंट इमिटेट समबडी, डोंट पुट इन ड्रेसेस दैट आर इमिटेशन, पुट योर नेचुरल सेल्फ। ऐसा मतलब नहीं कि मैं आपने बोला नेचुरल बोल के आप धोती पहनकर मत जाओ साउथ इंडिया होते भी। इफ यू आर साउथ इंडियन, पुट द प्रेशर, सपोज इसका मतलब इतने पसीना छूट रहा है, बहुत ही गर्मी है, ब्लेजर मत पहन कर जाओ, जरूरत नहीं है। आपको जो सूटेबल है वो पहन कर जाओ। तो यू शुड बी डी-स्ट्रेस्ड, डू योगा, डू मेडिटेशन, व्हाटएवर इट इज एट पहले दिन, सो दैट यू आर नॉट स्ट्रेस्ड। अच्छा से सो जाओ। एग्जाम्स के पहले भी ये भी करना चाहिए। अभी भी मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ, ये भी एक एग्जाम है, इससे में आपने अपने डी-स्ट्रेस करो। ड्रेस प्रॉपर्ली, यू रीच द वेन्यू ऑन टाइम विद ऑल नीडेड डॉक्यूमेंट्स। लोग क्या होता है उसी दिन दिमाग से चलता है। एग्जाम्पल, आई हैड अ प्रॉब्लम व्हेन आई वाज इन दिल्ली। आई लिव्ड लॉट ऑफ टाइम इन दिल्ली फॉर 20 years। मेरा पहले जब दिल्ली में कनॉट प्लेस में जाना था, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर, समवेयर हिंदुस्तान का टाइम्स का बिल्डिंग है बाजू में। मुझे मालूम नहीं, आई एम साउथ इंडियन, आई डोंट नो हाउ टू स्पीक हिंदी प्रॉपर्ली। Somebody told that take a bus. I was in Hauskas. I had taken a bus from there to Connaught Place. I got down at the Super Bazaar. I don't know. There. उसके बाद मैं उधर पहुंचने के देरी हो रहा है, मेरे को समझ नहीं, किससे पूछेंगे, वो इधर जाओ उधर जाओ, वो कुछ जनपद में बता दिया. Somebody sent me to Alikabad. I don't know where to go. It is in Kasturiba Ganima.
Shut up.
Oh. So finally, I had to
Shut up.
prepare. Next, hello. Be pleasant, confident, and smiling. Give the right body language from the entry to end. पहुंचते भी confident दिखो, आते वापस
Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth.
So then, be authentic and clear about your thoughts. Be very authentic. Don't talk which are not known to you. When you do these things, you are facing the board of interview.
Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth.
Who is it? What are you shouting?
I am saying just shut your...
Storytelling, tell yourself properly, be honest, what you can contribute to the organization, be short, and when you are telling your success stories, give the credit who helped you to become successful. Don't say everything apne wajah se hua hai. You should tell because of that reason or this reason I could be successful. So if you want to be successful in interviews, you know how to sell yourself by preparing proper resume, by having good communication skills. Then you should know how to map yourself to the job, then face the interview board confidently with authenticity, originality. And I am sure that if you do these things, you are on the steps of success in interviews. Good luck. This is what I want to tell. Any doubts you want, and somebody is having some issues, they can talk with me. Hello. I am through with my presentation. Any questions you can ask?
Sorry, sir. There was some miscommunication, I guess. I banned that person. We are really sorry for that.
Hello, Anjali, admin.
Hello.
Are you able to hear me?
Yeah, I'm able to hear you. Thank you so much, sir. I was saying I'm sorry for that behavior. What happened just now?
Okay, no problem. I'm not worried about it. Such things happen.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, you can continue, sir.
That's completed. I completed my presentation. Within time. You want any questions? I'm ready to answer the questions now. Palak. Guys, if you have any questions, you can call me and tell me, or you can put your questions on chat. I'll answer them. So end of the day, what I am trying to convey you is that learn the art of selling yourself. If you can do that, you will be able to successfully face interviews. When you complete selling yourself here, you can, if you learn these things, future, whether it is a personal life, professional life, you will be very well successful. Wherever job you take, whatever, you may be engineer, you may be administrator, you may be a creative writer, whatever it is that, your creativity should be acceptable to the other person. Your boss, your creative director, you are a creative person. It's not simply that you will be able to succeed. I did a beautiful paint, but you have to convince the other person that your paint is so supernatural. So you have to learn. Okay, any questions, please? How to overcome your fear? That's a big ocean of subject. You have to come to my website, my Instagram. You put your things. My team will divert the answers. Overcome fear. It's a big job. It's not that. Only thing is that if you prepare properly, first and fundamental, your fear go away. As I told you, your resume is perfectly prepared. Your communication is perfect. All these things automatically fear जाएगा. And then how to de-stress yourself. Don't get tensed about it. एक तो पहले समझ लीजिएगा कि there are jobs. आप लोग पहले डरे कि अरे मार्केट में जॉब्स कम है, मुझे जॉब मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा. No, it is not the fact. I am telling you, my own friends companies, they have told me many times, सत्या जिसको आप ट्रेन कर रहे हैं मेरे को रिफर करो, I want to give jobs. There are sales jobs, there are software development jobs, there are jobs in .NET, there are C++. There are people who want to sell products. Somebody wants in administration, somebody wants account. Every job is available. I know many companies that are waiting for people. So if you, the fear is that हमको whether I get a job or not, क्या होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा. एक job. I'll tell you small 1 minute. I'll take a beautiful story. There is one person. I don't take taking again his name, but that person, he is my student in one MBA college. He went through 6 or 7 interviews. Everywhere he failed. He is literally in tears. He's come from a very poor family, coming from a very far off village from Hyderabad. तो लड़का मेरे पास आया था. मैं बताया तुम्हारा परेशानी क्या, तुम जब इंटरव्यू में फेस करता है तुमको पसीना छूटता है, इतना टॉक योरसेल्फ. What should I do? Go home, put a mobile yourself before you, go on talking and record and send it me. He went on doing for 1 week, I think 1 week or 10 days. Now he is able to prepare his own YouTube channel. He got a job in Reliance Retail. Reliance Retail में he got a sales marketing officer job, and he's recently job with a salary about 50,000 rupees per month. All that he did is that he went out of fear because he developed a confidence in himself. Okay, hope I am answered. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. We are able to hear you.
Anything more?
Yes, sir. Thank you. First of all, thank you so much for this.
One more question. You can follow this one. Can you overcome interfere? I told. Of yourself and your work, sir. Sometimes it's hard to sell yourself and your work because of the expectations of the client does not match. So in that situation, how can we hold the purchaser? And it till how much extent we should honest? We should be always honest. There is no other thing than honest. I am telling you, though I lived in Delhi 20 years back, even today, my friends and companies in Delhi, Gurgaon, Faridabad, they still trust me only because Satya is honest. मैं जो कर नहीं सकता हूँ नहीं करता हूँ, डिस्काउंट नहीं दे सकता नहीं दे सकता हूँ, जितना दे सकता हूँ उतना ही दे सकता हूँ. Now how can you hold the purchaser to the wall? You should understand what he wants. Then he will say definitely only one thing. यार आपका competitor company मेरे को 25% डिस्काउंट दे रहा है, 30% डिस्काउंट दे रहा है, आप दे सकते हैं तो आपको बिजनेस दे दूंगा. बस फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट डोंट टॉक बैड अबाउट दैट कंपनी. वो कंपनी जो भी हो, सर हो सकता है वो सस्ते दे रहे, लेकिन एक तो मैं कमिट करूंगा, आप मुझे ऑर्डर देगा तो मैं आपके साथ रहूंगा, मैं हूं हमेशा आपके साथ. वो भरोसा वो नहीं देगा सर, मैं शर्त लगाऊंगा. Believe it or not, this is my personal experience. For last 35 years, I had done at least average of maybe minimum 10 to 15 crores of service business every year continuously. I sold aquaguards, I sold vacuum cleaners, I sold services, whatever I did it. Only honestly I told the facts. I promise that आपको परेशानी होता मैं हूँ. प्रोडक्ट बेचने के बाद सर्विस के लिए सर्विस वालों को बुलाओ नहीं बोलता हूँ, मैं आता हूँ सर आपके लिए, मेरे को फोन करो मैं हैंडल करूंगा. जब आजकल लोगों को चाहिए भरोसा, आप वो भरोसा दे सकता है तो ऑब्वियसली बिजनेस आपके पास रहेगा. होप आई आंसर्ड योर क्वेश्चन. Some Ajay is able to talk something, I think.
Sir, I have one question. What is the difference confident and overconfident as a company behavior?
Confident and overconfident.
Yes, sir.
वो बहुत ही थिन डिफरेंशिएशन होता है. ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस का क्या होता है, मतलब आपको में आपको जानकर यू आर नॉट ऑथेंटिक. दोजमरली दोज हु आर ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट क्या होता है, वो लोग ज्यादा अपने बारे में समझता है. वो शायद इनिशियल डेज में सक्सेस होता है, आगे दिनों में परेशानी होता है. मैं जैसा बोला, आप टेक बेबी स्टेप्स. आसमान अभी मत चढ़ो, पहले सीढ़ी में पहुंचो, दूसरा सीढ़ी, तीसरा सीढ़ी, उसके बाद आगे बढ़ो. That is called confidence. When you do, you get confidence when you learn properly, when you learn theoretically, practically everything. ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस क्या होता है, आप जो काम करते हैं, आपको जो जानकारी है उसके ऊपर मिर्च मसाला लगाता है, वो लोग ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट होता है. और दे थिंक दैट दे आर वेरी स्मार्ट, बट दे टोटली फ्लॉप. So I don't ask anyone to be overconfident. Be confident. Got my point? Have I clarified?
Yes.
Thank you.
Sir, I would like to interrupt you. Sorry, we hardly have 30 seconds and I don't want to miss thanking you.
Hello.
Hello, am I audible?
I am not able to hear.
Hello.
Vivek is talking. Vivek or somebody who is talking. I don't know.
Hello.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir, for coming on to Chatbot.